Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set who can see your last scene on the Telegram application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen, and then you should tap on privacy and security. Then scroll down to the privacy section and click on last scene and online. Here you can set who can see my last scene, everybody, my contacts, or nobody. Here down below you can add exceptions, always share with, and you can add users. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.